Hi everyone, Mizan here from the Huddle01 dev team. In this video, I'm super excited to give you all an overview of the brand new network dashboard, which is your one-stop destination to manage your node keys, create delegation pools, and access all the rewards that you've earned. So once I go to Huddle01.network, this is what the dashboard looks like. Without logging in, I can view the overall network stats, which shows me the total number of keys and the total number of rewards earned on the network. So let's connect my wallet. I'm gonna be signing in with my MetaMask wallet. Make sure to sign in with the wallet that you purchased the media node with. Once I sign the message, I'm logged in and I've accessed more information over here. So once it loads, I can view the number of node keys that I own and the rewards that I've earned on this graph over here. So let's dive into more detail. First is the node keys page. Over here, I can view all the node keys that I own on my wallet. I have a total of 43 keys, out of which these 10 have been delegated to a pool and the rest are yet to be delegated. I can cycle through the pages, view the different keys, and I can also click on the pool name to view more details about this particular delegation pool. This shows me the total number of rewards earned by this pool and the commission percentage set by the owner. Once I decide to delegate some keys to a pool, I can head on to the pools page. Over here, I can view all the pools that are on the network, and I can also filter by the pools that I have created. These are the 3 pools I created in the past, but let me just create one real quick. While creating the pool, I have to select the number of keys that I want to delegate initially, and I can choose the pool size. This one allows me to delegate 10 keys in total, and this one has a capacity of 40 node keys in total. I'm gonna select this one and select 5 keys to delegate to this pool. I'm going to set a commission percentage of 25 and I'm going to check the required approval option. What this does is, when I have selected this option, anyone who wants to delegate keys to my pool, I have to manually approve all of their requests. Only then can they delegate to my pool. So once I click on create pool, I have to sign a message that will show up in my wallet, and let's give it a few seconds, and that's it. My pool has been created successfully. I can share this on Twitter if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that for now. Once I come back to the dashboard, this is the new pool that I just created. It shows me that 5 keys have been delegated, the 5 that I selected while creating the pool, and it shows me the commission percentage that I set while creating it. I can now delegate more keys to this pool or undelegate a few from it. I'm going to be delegating a few keys to some other pool. So let's come back here to the all pools tab. I'm going to select this one, which has 2 keys out of 10 delegated currently. I'm going to delegate 3 more keys to this pool. So I have to select 3 from this counter, and once I click on delegate, I'll have to sign a message again and give it a few seconds. Once that's done, I see the success modal that my keys have been delegated. So now you can see the pool has been updated with 5 out of 10 keys, which was 2 initially, and the 3 that I just delegated. Once I go back to my node keys page, I'll be able to see the new keys that were delegated to these pools. The last page on the dashboard is the rewards page. Over here, I can come and view all the rewards that I've earned in the past. So this gives me an overview look of my earnings, and I can go into more detail through this graph over here, which shows me the rewards I earned every day. It shows me the number of rewards and the pool commissions for that day. We also have a guides page over here, which has some basic reading material for you to get started and learn about how everything works on the dashboard. So feel free to check that out as well. So yeah, that's been a quick rundown of the new network dashboard. We also have a few more videos coming up in which we show creating pools, delegating, undelegating in more detail. But for now, thank you for watching.